Good, so keep accelerating through. GT on the track for 5. GT3 on the track for 5. Alrighty, are you ready? Yep. Smoothly apply that power. Nice and go, 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 go. Good. So stay right here at this speed, right turn, but find the straight line through. Good. Very good. Left side of the track. Now crank it right, hard right, super hard right, super hard right. Good. Quick left. Good. Good. Right turn. On the power, on the power. Brake hard here. Hard right, super hard right, like a U-turn.
Damn, this thing handles amazing.
Oh, all-wheel steering, baby. Brake hard, hard left. Outside on the exit, good. Perfect, just like that. Brake hard.
Man, that is fun.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. So there's one. Let's keep doing it again. Stay on the right side of the track. This way, stay away from that bumps right there. Alrighty. Power. Good shot. Right turn. Good. Perfect. And then crank it hard, right? Good. Left. Perfect. So you want to be smoother with your angle and with your throttle input. You're being very rough. Just be smooth when you're throwing it in. Balance is our objective. You're doing fantastic. You're doing very good. Good. Perfect. What do you think?
That's just incredible.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, this car is a dream of a car. Alrighty, nice and smooth. Power, 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 power. Good. Perfect. One big turn, hard right. Good. Smooth. Perfect. There it is. Power. Good. Perfect. Good shovel, man. 2 more to go.
Damn. Give this Ferrari some room. Sure. You've driven all these, I assume.
Oh yeah.
How do you compare this to the Performante? What's your preferred?
You're in it.
I thought so.
This is it's different.
It's a much wider vehicle, right?
It's the view. You sacrifice some view. Mm-hmm. You sacrifice, but you gain in power and experience. But this car has ultimate, control. If you have a lot of confidence over the car. Confidence is a lot for me. Go, baby, go, 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 go. There it is. Let's go.
Alrighty.
Last lap in the GT3. Last lap in the GT3.
Can we do a first gear pull?
Yeah, we did. We've been doing that.
Okay. I wasn't sure about the last one.
Go, go, go. Good. Hard right. Good. There it is. Perfect. That's the one. GT3 coming off track. GT3 coming off the track.
Where would you like me to park this?
Next to the Performante on the right side. Good.
Right here?
Straight, straight, straight. A little more, a little more. Line it up with her. Good stuff right there.
That is something I will definitely have to do again.
Awesome. Well, just so you know, we have a couple of things going. You already paid for your insurance, so if you want to go ahead for another drive, it's just $100. We give you 5 laps.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.